Hi there. Do you love the game of golf? Don't you always wonder how those tour guys just make it look so easy? I mean, how do they do it? You know this happens. You get out on the course, the cart girls come around, and then you swing, and what happens? Shank, snap hook, slice. Pretty embarrassing. Ultimately, you want a swing like Tiger's, but we can't all be like him. Look how he turns his body and how his back is to the target and the downswing is started with his hands and his left hip. Simply amazing. Dustin Johnson is the other one to look at. That impact position right there is the best impact position in golf right now. Everything is working for him. He is the best swing on tour, in my opinion. Let's face it. Just stop embarrassing yourself out there. Don't be Charles. That's just a terrible swing. That swing is terrible. All right. Go to golfkings.com, thegolfkings.com. Get some lessons. Get better. Have fun. Come on.